Okay, I think this is about where I was. Friggin' maintenance showed up to do something in my apartment, and I can't ignore him as much as I wanted to. Whoa, dude, back up. Ow.
Nice drive, Freddy.
Freddy, where you at?
I sure do wish I had more ammo.
Me too. Whoa, get it back. What the? Okay. Give me that bullet back that I dropped, man. Every bullet counts. Hey there. What is up with your teeth? Hey, where's my dog? Seriously, where's my dog at? Tell me my game got glitched out. I'll look for him later. I already started recording. Okay. Guess I'm going this episode without my doggy. New mask. Take it. Hey.
Ooh, there goes your brain, Freddy.
Yep.
Wish I had more ammo.
Me too. Oh, hey. Hey, back up. I don't know why cops always think they can just run up on me like that. Y'all keep giving me all these flame rounds. When y'all gonna give me a flamethrower? Oh, hey there. You came up here for nothing. Okay, there's nothing over here. Seriously, where's my dog? He helps me thin out some of these turds. Shut your ass. Back up.
Damn, ammo's getting low.
A little bit. Okay. Ammo. I can't carry. I need some pistol ammo. Just gonna roll my shotgun for a little bit.
Oh, sure would love some more ammo.
Well, we got some here. I don't trust you.
Oh, sorry, was that your brain? Oh, shit. Getting low on ammo.
I wish it would shut up. Okay, I can't open this. Okay. What we got? What we got? Absolutely nothing.
Oh, well, that explains why our train's stuck. It's attached to a big frickin' crane thing.
That makes sense. Hey there. Kneecap. Kneecap. Okay. What'd I do? Needs a key. Hey, miss. You okay? Probably not. Definitely not now. Okay, seriously, where did Buddy go? In between last episode and this episode. Okay.
Big line on ammo.
Well, it's not like I want to use my shotgun to open up. Oh, hey. How you doing? I need to get in there.
See you,
You're on my way. There's a key. There's a freaking key right there. And I don't know where my freaking dog is. Okay, I'm gonna try something. Hopefully it doesn't put me back too far. Options. How do I... Movement, accessibility, interface. Back. Reload to last checkpoint. Okay, I can do that. Maybe that's to give me my freaking dog back. I swear, maintenance knocking on my door really messed up my recording. How far back?
Well, that explains why our train's stuck. It's attached to a big freaking crane.
Ain't getting my
thing.
dog back. All right. Hey there.
How are we gonna detach this train?
Knock your legs out from under you. That's what I do.
Wish I had more ammo.
Gross. Okay, I remember what to do already.
Ugh, nasty. Okay, gotta be a key around here.
Wait, there's the key. Okay. Okay, I just need to open up this window for him. Can't open it. Can't carry it. Can't carry it. Oh, whoa, no, not shotgun. All right, buddy. Yeah, get in there. I need you to grab that key for me.
Go fetch.
What the? Yeah, get that key for me. I'm not wasting my ammo on you, sir. I don't see anything else in there worth me getting. Good
What a
boy.
good dog.
How come I can't go in here? I can clearly climb up this. There's some freaking glue in there that I can't get. Look like some ammo or something over there. Can I get you to get that glue for me? No? Oh, whatever. Just keep walking this door. No? Yeah, there's no other way of getting in here. Okay, let's do it.
Key. Can't be far. I guess I just yanked the whole thing off.
Whoa!
Shit! Buddy, we gotta get on the train now!
Oh, buddy.
Legs, leg
Come on.
faster! Oh my god. Thank you, legs. I'll never let you go numb sitting on the toilet again.
Whoa.
You okay, buddy?
That's a lot of y'all. They make it on the train. What is going on?
Come on, train! Train faster!
You better not make it on the train. Okay, look like yeah. Whoa!
Holy shit! So long, Freddy's!
Come on, you can make it. You can make it. Come on. I swear loading times are ridiculous in this game. This game is so fun, but loading times are fucking crazy.
Oh, human beings, here we come! Oh, just wait till the army guys see us rolling up in this thing, man! All right, bud, let's get up to the front.
Get him. Why are you doing that?
Get off my train.
Was that really necessary? Okay, I don't see anything or anybody. Shotgun chill. Always welcome. Crowbar.
Hey, Freddy. Nice of you to drop in.
Dude, you got some serious dad jokes. Just in case I need it. Ooh.
Yes, good.
I don't know how I feel about it. Nah, give it back. Freddy, come on.
Give me a second here, buddy.
What? Oh, okay. I guess you can't come with me for a second.
Buddy. Wow. It might not be safe up here, but it is cool.
Hey there, people.
See you, Fred.
Hey. Calm down. Woo!
Tickets, please.
Oh, I made a mess.
Tickets, please.
All right, buddy, here I come. All
right, let's get this thing open.
Come on. New hat. No, give me the hat. Can I mean, I can, but I don't want to. It's way too hot for that. More ammo. Hey, buddy, do something with that.
I don't want to get Freddy goo on me. Could you pull him out of the way? What a good dog.
Seriously, like 8 canisters of flame round stuff, but I haven't seen a flamethrower yet. Okay. Not that side. What's up there? Good on health.
I gotta find another way around.
Gimme.
Hold on, bud.
Okay. You're such a good dog. You could lift that up for me or something. Oh, snap.
Great job, Freddy.
Gross. Thanks for opening it up for me, though. Ooh. What just happened? Wait. Okay. There's a lot of
bodies rocking everywhere.
I'm sorry, dude. That was extremely cringe.
Where's the ammo fairy when I need her?
I don't know. Huh.
Good night, Freddy.
Is there anything else in here? No, there isn't. I could use some more ammo, though. Okay, let's rock with the shotgun for a little bit.
careful up there, buddy.
That was a waste.
Oh, shit! Getting low on ammo.
Oh, it's a lot of y'all. Line up.
Sorry, Fred. No tickets, no head. Getting low on ammo.
Go ahead.
Go, get him, boy. Who is a good boy?
All right, heading up. All right, ammo. Take it. I'll take it. Good on ammo. Ooh.
Lucky me.
I don't know if this is any better. Let's keep it. Hold up. Yeah, do something about him. Good job, boy. Give me a second. I want to find out what's in here.
Give me a second here, buddy.
Ammo. New mask. Nothing. Wait. Shotgun shell. What is this?
Shit, real gold. Rich people hoarded this stuff like it was going out of style.
Yeah. There comes. What in the world? How'd you get stuck? I don't trust you.
Get him, boy.
Alright, seriously. I'm gonna have to stick with the shotgun for a little bit.
Good night, Freddy. Running low on ammo.
Oh, Lord, there's a lot of y'all.
Gunfight on top of a train, boys.
Hey!
There's a good boy. Oh, I wish I had more ammo.
Yeah, me too. What is that? That can't be what I think it is. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. You better not move. I don't trust you anyway. Ain't no way.
What do we
It
have
is.
here? Yo,
No.
Freddy! You guys doing a flash mob? Huh? Is one of you about to propose? We got a zero tolerance policy for train hoppers, Fred.
I don't want this thing to overheat. Wow, y'all are dumb. A lot of y'all didn't even make it. And go. Spray the area. Can I go down with this? No, not yet. Ready? Oh, I'm taking this with me. And I can. Oh my goodness. Checkpoint. Anything in here for me? Yes, ammo. I could find out what's out there, but no. Hello, people. Don't bother getting up. Are you serious?
Let's toast them and roast them.
Okay, let's keep this over here. Hold on. Matter of fact, buddy, come here. Stop. I don't want to lose this gun. I don't think this was meant to be taken with me. Don't bother getting up. What the hell? Is that a box of cereal? Guzzlers. Oh yeah. I saw that joke already. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Alright. Maybe this was meant for me to take with me, because, you haven't been giving me ammo for a little bit.
Buddy, we gotta get to the front. The station's coming up and we gotta stop this thing.
I can't take this with me? Well, if I can't have it, nobody can. What do you see? Whoa. Whoa, okay.
This is 555 actual. Is there someone on this channel?
Hey,
yeah.
Hello. Is this radio working? Army guy, can you hear me?
On this channel. You're the guy with my dog.
Yes. Yeah. Wolfie, right? Listen, I'm gonna be there sooner than planned. We got a train working and we're heading north.
You're on a train?
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
God damn it. Listen to me. The Amber Pass is out.
Amber Pass?
What?
The bridge! The bridge is out!
Oh, shit. Hey, I need to,
That's not good.
Oh,
Get
snap.
out of there!
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, well, that fucking sucked. Oh, buddy, Where are you?
Ow, my ass.
Buddy?
Ow, my back. Oh. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Oh. Oh, I got a headache. Oh. Buddy, I know you got launched. Yo. I lost everything. How did I lose? It was just a crash. How do you lose guns and all your ammo in a crash? Oh, hell no. Hell no. Alright, I'm done here. I'm done here. Till next episode.